Kajde.
This right here is why we don't crawl in that. Don't scream at me. You did this to yourself.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Sweet boy.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every
Time to sit, yeah?
Wow!
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Q, my child is completely fine.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
If I catch you on that kitchen counter again, it's me and you. I'm putting you out. Listen to me. I'm putting you out in the hallway next time I catch you on that kitchen counter. You hear that? You know I love you, boy. Yeah? You know I love my boy? Yes? I love my boy now. Yeah.
He's really good.
That's what I love.
Oh, look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Fucking happy and you motherfucking know what clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know what clap your motherfucking hands. If you're fucking happy and you motherfucking know it and you really motherfucking wanna motherfucking show it. If you're motherfucking happy and you motherfucking know what clap your motherfucking hands. Stop it. Love each other.
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog.
Go for a walk, okay? Come on.
So Leo's not very cooperative.
Come on, Leo. Let's go for a walk. Leo, come on. Come on. Don't play dead. Let's try again. Okay, come on. Come on, Leo.
You're worthless, cat. Worthless.
Dicky.
Evie.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
What I love, Nestle Crunch.
Hi. No.
Cooper, I'm sorry for calling you a dusty chinchilla. Yes, I am! You're not even a dusty chinchilla, you're more just like a Cabbage Patch cat. I didn't raise you to talk to me like that. I love you anyway.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs?
This is awkward.